I'm working on this Buick Century. This is something somebody bought. I'm gonna restore it. It's been sitting for like 5-6 years. And the person they bought it from swore it runs great, ran perfect when we parked it. Just quit driving it. Okay. Let me tell y'all something. If you park something for 4, 5, 6 years, it ain't gonna just fire up and go down the road. You're gonna have to do some things. One thing I had to do, I had to change the fuel tank because it was full of rust. The fuel pump actually rotted off the sending unit. It's laying in the bottom of the tank. And I said, well, I'm gonna check these injectors just before I do anything else. And I'm glad I did, because they're full of rust too. So pretty much the whole fuel system had to be changed. This is how it works. Just because it ran when you parked it 5-6 years ago doesn't mean it's just gonna fire up and go down the road now. It's gonna take a little bit of work, gonna take a little bit of money.